G7 is an intergovernmental political and economic forum consisting of 7 countries, namely Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, England, and the United States. This year's G7 is the number 52 summit since it started, held on June 15 to June 17, 2026 at Vian-les-Bains in France, with its goal to cover international partnership, geopolitical issues such as Strait of Hormuz, illicit trafficking, and migrant smuggling, amongst others. The attendees of this year were the host Emmanuel Macron, President of France, Donald Trump, President of the United States, President of Ukraine, Volodymyr Zelensky, Antonio Costa, President of the European Council, Lula da Silva, President of Brazil, Keir Starmer, Prime Minister of Britain, Giorgia Meloni, Prime Minister of Italy, Mark Carney, Prime Minister of Canada, Friedrich Merz, Chancellor of Germany, Sanai Takaichi, Prime Minister of Japan. Where is the position of African continent in G7? Remember, Africa has more than 54 countries. But the question of the day is, where is the position of Africa? With only 2 presidents attending the G7, President of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto, and the President of Egypt, Abdel Fattah el-Sisi, does it seem to be like betrayal to the rest of African countries? Or is the G7 only a friend to only these 2 countries? Drop your comments. My name is Eliza Kwaba. Share and comment. Till next time.